Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn or solve some practice questions based on system of particles and rotational motion part 1. In today's lecture we will cover practice questions from 1 to 10. Clear? Disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of the images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, question first. A body A of mass m while falling vertically downwards under gravity breaks into two parts. A body B of mass 1 by 3 m and a body C of mass 2 by 3 m. Clear? There is a three body A, B and C. The center of mass of bodies B and C taken together shifts to compare to that of body A towards. Clear? So, which option is correct? Option A depends on height of breaking. Option B does not shift. Option C body C. Option D body B. So, which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, according to question, there is three body A, body B and body C and their masses. Clear? So solution is the position of center of mass remains unaffected because breaking of mass into two parts is due to internal forces. Clear? So position of center of mass remains unaffected. So correct answer is option B is correct. Does not shift. Clear? Next question. Question second. Distance of the center of mass of a solid uniform cone from its vertex is z0 if the radius of its base is r and its height is h. Then z0 is equal to what? So here question asks about the z0 is equal to what? Given options, option A h square divided by 4r, option B 3h divided by 4, C 5h divided by 8, option D 3h square divided by 8r. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So according to question, distance of the center of mass of a solid uniform cone from its vertex is z0. Clear? And radius of its base is r. Height h. Clear? So solution is the, we know that center of mass of a uniform solid cone of height h is at height h by 4 from base. Therefore, as h minus z0 is equal to h by 4. Clear? Or z equal to h minus h by 4 is equal to 3h by 4. Clear? So 3h by 4 is the correct answer. Clear? 3h by 4 is correct answer. B option is correct. Next question, question 3. A circular disc of radius r is removed from a bigger circular disc of radius 2r such that the circumference of the discs coincide. The center of mass of the new disk is alpha r from the center of the bigger disk. Clear? Question asked about the value of alpha is what? Clear? So question asked about the value of r. So given options, option A 1 by 3, option B 1 by 2, option C 1 by 6 and option D 1 by 4. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So solution in this question, distance of center of mass of new disk from the center of mass of remaining disk is alpha r. Clear? And mass of original disk is equal to m mass of disk removed. Clear? So using numerical term you will be get m divided by pi 2r whole square multiply pi r square which is equal to m by 4. Clear? And the mass of remaining disk is equal to m minus m by 4 which is equal to 3m by 4. Clear? So solving this term you will be get alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 4. Which of the following points is the likely position of the center of mass of this system as shown in figure? This is the figure. Clear? A point, B point, C point and D point. Clear? And each, this is the distances from the center. This is air and this sphere is hollow sphere. Clear? Options is option A, option B, option C and option D. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So center of mass of a system lies towards that part of the system having bigger mass. Clear? In this given diagram, lower part is heavier. Clear? Hence, cm of the system, center of mass of the system lies below the horizontal diameter. Clear? The main reason is this, having bigger mass. Clear? So lies between, center of mass of the system lies below the horizontal diameter. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is the correct option. Clear? C is the correct option. Clear? Next question. Question 5. Consider a two particles system with particles having mass m1 and m2. If the first particle is pushed towards the center of mass through a distance d, by what distance should the second particle be moved so as to keep the center of mass at the same position? Clear? So which option is correct? Option A is m2d divided by m1. Option B m1 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by d. Option C minus m1 multiplied by d divided by m2 and option D. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So to keep the center of mass the same position, velocity of center of mass is 0. Clear? So m1 v1 plus m2 v2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. Clear? Where v1 and v2 are velocities of particles 1 and 2 respectively. Clear? m1 dr1 divided by dt plus m2 dr2 divided by dt is equal to 0. Here dr1 divided by dt is v1 and v2 is equal to dr2 divided by dt. Clear? m1 dr1 plus m2 dr2 is equal to 0. dr1 and dr2 represent the change in displacement of particles. Clear? Let second particle has been displaced by distance x. So m1d plus m2x is equal to 0, and solving this term you will be get x is equal to minus m1d divided by m2. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. Clear? Minus m divided by m2 multiply by d. Clear? This is the correct answer. Next question, question 6. A string of negligible thickness is wrapped several times around a cylinder kept on a rough horizontal surface. A man standing at a distance im from the cylinder holds one end of string and pulls the cylinder towards him. There is no slipping anywhere. The length in meter of the string passed through the hand of the man while the cylinder reached his hands is off. So given options is A option is L by 2, B option is L, C option is 2L, and D option 3L by 2. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So if velocity of center of mass is v, then velocity of contact is 0 and that of the top is 2b. Clear? This. Hence, when center of mass covers a distance L, thread covers a distance 2L. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 7. A wheel has mass of rim is 1 kg, having 50 spokes, each of mass 5 gram. The radius of wheel is 40 centimeter. The moment of inertia is what? Clear? So here question asked about the moment of inertia. So which option is correct? Option A 0.273 kg meter square. Option B 1.73 kg meter square. Option C 0.173 kg meter square. Option D 2.73 kg meter square. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to question, wheel has a mass of rim is 1 kg and having 50 spokes, each of mass 5 gram. Clear? And radius of wheel is 40 centimeter. So solution is I equal to mr square plus 50 mi square divided by 3. So this is the main equation. Clear? Putting all the given terms in this equation, you will be get 0.616 multiplied by 1.083, and solving this two term you will be get 0.173 kg meter square. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Clear? C is correct answer. Clear? Next question, question 8. The surface density of a circular disc of radius a depends on the distance as rho r is equal to a plus br. Clear? The moment of inertia about the line perpendicular to the plane of the disc is what? Clear? So given options is A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So dm equal to 2 pi r dr f of p. Use this term. dm equal to 2 pi r dr f of p, which is equal to a plus br 2 pi r dr, and I equal to 0 to q dmr square. So solving this integration term, you will be get this. Clear? So answer is the pi a power raise the power 4 a by 2 plus 2ab divided by 5. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? Next question, question 9. 4-point masses, each of value m, are placed at the corners of square ABCD of side L. Clear? Of side L. The moment of inertia of this system about an axis passing through A and parallel to BD is. So which option is correct? Option A 2 ml square, option B under root 3 ml square, option C 3 ml square, option D ml square. Read question carefully and give answer. Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to question, the situation is shown in the figure. This is figure. Clear? The corners A, B, C, D of side L and each side having L. L is the side. Clear? So moment of inertia Ix prime is equal to m multiplied by dp square dp square plus m multiplied by bq square plus m multiply ca square, and solving this term we will be get m into 2 into under root 2l by 2 whole square plus m into under root 2l whole square. After solving this equation, you will be get 3 ml square. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is the correct answer, 3 ml square. Clear? Next question, question 10. The ratio of the radii of gyration of a circular disc and circular ring of the same radii about the tangential axis perpendicular to plane of disc or ring is what? Given options is this. Option A 1:2, option B √5:√6, option C 2:3, and option D √3 divided by 2. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So radius of gyration k equal to under root L by m. Clear? So this is the formula. Clear? And k is equal to under root half mr square plus nr square divided by 2. And solving this equation we get k equal to under root 3r by 2. Clear? And k ring is equal to under root mr square plus mr square divided by m, which is equal to under root 2r. Clear? So ratio is k disc upon K ring is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Clear? So correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Clear? D is the correct answer. Now summary. The major formula used in lecture is, or we learned, is center of mass of a cone, which is equal to Z naught equal to 3h by 4. Second is center of mass after removing a disk, alpha equal to 1 by 3. And distance to keep center of mass, d2 equal to m2d divided by m1. And length of string passed, L equal to 2L. And moment of inertia of wheel and moment of inertia of disk with varying density. Clear? So we solve or learn this concept questions. Clear? Thank you.